Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be testing this eyeshadow palette, and this is called Bubble Nebula Changeable, and this is from UCANBE. As you can see, the packaging is absolutely stunning. It comes in this envelope, and the palette packaging is exactly the same. It's like glossy type of packaging, so I'm just absolutely obsessed with it. Like, has like this holographic colors. So this is how the palette looks inside. I think this is a perfect dupe after the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde, if I'm not mistaken the name. So it has some beautiful shimmers, some beautiful mattes, and I'm really curious how this will perform on my eyelids. I will do some swatches as well. On the back you have the ingredients, and also it says cruelty free, and by the way, it doesn't have any names, so the shades don't have any names. Okay, so I will swatch the first row. So this is like a pink shimmer. Yeah, it's quite pretty, and it swatched nicely. Yeah. Then we have a matte, and this is like a peach color. This is how it looks like. Then we have another shimmer, and this is like a purple. Okay. Then we have another shimmery purple, but it's more lighter color. So is this one. It has actually some silver sparkles as well. Then we have a green, again a shimmer, a really deep green. It's really nice, I like it. And the last color on the first row, it's a matte green, a matte teal actually. So yeah, gorgeous. And next I'm gonna swatch the second row. So first shade is a matte pink. It's more like a nude pink, rosy pink. So this is how it looks like. Then we have a shimmer, and this is like a champagne rose gold, and this swatched really nicely. It's really nice. Then we have another matte pink. This is more like a pink purpley type. Then we have a nude, another matte. This is nice. Then we have a lighter nude, again matte, in here. And the last color from this row is a really light champagne color. And this is how it looks like. Okay, so the last row to swatch is a deep aubergine and brown purple something. It's quite a deep color, as you can see. Then we have another matte. It's like a deep cherry, I can see in here. It's a really nice color. Then we have a shimmer. It's quite dark, really nice. Then we have another nude, but it's a bit more darker, like it's not terracotta, I don't know how to describe it. And then we have another shimmer, but this one I don't know. See, it has like two colors in, like a gold. So yeah, really nice. And then the last one is a gold couple. Yeah, actually I think my first row is this one, because they all perform this swatch really nicely. So yeah, cannot wait to test this on my eyelids. My outer V, I think I'm gonna start with this gorgeous color. And in this bit I am gonna take this shade in here, this green. I'll try my finger. On my brow bone I am gonna use this champagne color. On my lower lash line I think I'm gonna use this purple in here all over. I have to wet the brush a bit because it doesn't show up really much. Okay, so I added a bit of this green in here in the inner corner. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finish the other eye off camera. Also I'll finish the rest of my face and I'll come back with the finished look. Okay guys, so I'm back now. Let's talk a bit about this eyeshadow palette. I think it's quite alright. I never tried the Huda Beauty one, so I can't compare the quality with that one, but I did use an eyeshadow palette from UCANBE before and it's actually good. I mean, yeah, I think it performed quite alright. A few shimmers are not that creamy, and what I've noticed, this one actually if you press it, it behaves like cushion or something, like it's creamy. So yeah, it was really well on my eyelid, but this one wasn't really creamy, so it was quite a struggle with this one. If you see here underneath, it doesn't really show up, but this one I love it. And the mattes I've used, they were quite alright. So yeah, I think I can give this eyeshadow palette 8 out of 10 because it wasn't really hard to build it up. The matte was performing brilliantly, didn't cake, didn't crease. So yeah, I think I actually like it. Definitely I will buy more eyeshadows palette from them and try them on. So yeah, I think the packaging is really cute. The color story is really nice as well. In the future I will just do a few more eye looks from it, definitely. Okay guys, so that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this every week. I'll see you next time. Bye.